In this course, you can enhance your communication skills or how to talk to others in a professional way or presentable way.
In hospitality management, you can also learn and explore the unforgettable guest experience and mastering the balance of service.
Hospitality management teaches us for a strong foundation in business management and prepare us for almost any business situation.
Choose hospitality management to receive personalized mentorship, guidance, and to support shaping your future as hospitality leader.
At the College of Hospitality Management, you can experience hands-on learning and gain real-world skills in our state-of-the-art facilities.
Hospitality management is an excellent field of study to provide high level of service and human interaction.
In hospitality management, we can develop our communication skills by practicing basic terminology.
Join our College of Hospitality Management to unlock key to successful event planning and management.
At our college, we offer a comprehensive and industry-focused education that prepares you for success.
Choose excellence. Choose our College of Hospitality Management for a brighter future.